Nature is all around us, from the vast oceans to the towering mountains. It provides us with an abundance of resources, from food to medicine, and supports all living beings. It is a wonderful source of inspiration, which has inspired countless. The beauty of nature is truly astonishing. It can be seen in every corner of our planet, from the tallest mountains to the deepest oceans. It encompasses all living beings, from the intricate patterns of a butterfly's wings to the majesty of a herd of elephants.